próximo programa é uma produção independente, portanto de total responsabilidade de seus apresentadores e produtores.
Produção e mixagens DJ Renato Lopes, o dinossauro do som.
Festa da Cidade, uma festa no seu rádio.
Festa da Cidade.
another rhyme in the beat. It's KD on the two techniques, so check them out. Let's call it step. Yes, they call us deaf, even the thought is loud. I'm like a nuclear attack on the hip-hop crowd. One tick vibration of the beat is great. I'm his MC, he's my DJ mate. He's my right-hand man, but he's on my left. And to conclude this sentence, let's call it step. Of this rhyme took a genius infection, resulting in formation of a deaf conception. The man steady be a hip-hop intellectual. The cuts are precise, the rhyme exceptional. The rhyme is deaf because I took the time to put specialized words together to make a rhyme. Let's call it deaf. Yo, KD, what's my name? Steady beat. 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 I go out at night, don't think I'm fly, just an ordinary guy. People wonder why I'm not fly, but I'm nothing less. Why do I have to be fly when I'm so deaf? I don't waste my talent is ample. And if you don't believe me, then here's an example. The words that I use by means of the brain transform into words and can never be plain. I'm a b-boy genius taken to that extent, and every word that I say, you know that's what I meant. Just call it step. And I'm flowing and I still will grow. Not a rookie, amateur, and experienced pro. A poetic innovator, the crowd stimulator. The jammers call us deaf, I'm the soul creator. With the dragon on my side, I can take all thunder. Build your confidence, you're great, put your 6 feet under. He's cutting the beat like a Gizu chef. Don't mean he can't hear when I say he's deaf. I'm the HG rockin' when I'm doing the do. If there are those that can beat us, believe me, there's few. Just call us deaf. Waves of sensation, just to let you know that death is my creation. I'll always tell you that I'll be on top. Steady be the crown prince of the sting hip hop. I'll send you to the stage of hysteria, make all the MCs feel inferior. I can never be beat. For what it's worth, you have to have death rhymes to hang in this turf. Just call us death. The team is working. If one of us is missing, synchronicity is broken. We're so deaf. I tell you from the heart, and the reason I can tell you is because we're smart, cause we're deaf. I'm a part of the art, steady being Grand Dragon #1 on the chart. And Grand Dragon cuts the wheels like a slice of cake. He has to put an apron on before he partake. And destroying DJs like a demolition crew can take on a DJ. And anytime too, just call us deaf. The man steady B's mouth is preponent. Don't act like you don't know, cause I have just shown it. The SC rocket takes animal cunning. You got to be ferocious to keep MCs running. This industry of rap is like the war of the words. The only ones who make it are the ones who are heard. Just call us deaf. Rock, rock, hey, he, now from. Rock, rock, hey, he, now from. Rock, rock, hey, he, now from. Rock, rock, hey, he, now. His left hand and next is right, a chainsaw can cut up the beat if it's cooked or raw. And every single sucker steady put to rest. Let's add to the elevation of a man's success. I'm a first string rapper, never warm with a bitch. And with the DJ terrorizing, it's a sure sense for me to go to the top, because I can't be stopped. Before I eat up the beat, it has to be chopped. That's why I've acquired the DJ man. The only way you can beat him if you come out of his hand, but he's so versatile, there's little you know. If you cut off his hand, he'll use his elbow. Just look at the crew, 1, 2, you can add it. The rhyme is so deft, don't you wish you had it? We're already moving steady, climbing up the charts, making all of my rhymes with no teeth march. Just call us death. Death.
I told you before.
back again. Alright, I'll give you a play. Put you in the mix. Maybe. I can rock people to the break of dawn. A record that I mix can never be wrong. I can take a chair and spin it around and make it chilly to the max with a bad breakdown. Like I can take a chair that's in a bad position and give it to you back in mid-condition. Cause I can cut it, scratch it, change the beat.
Cut it, scratch it, change the beat.
That's why the rock of my jams all over the street. Cause I can cut it,
Cut it, scratch it, change the beat.
that's why the rock of my jams all over the street. Cause I can cut it, scratch it,
Cut it, scratch it, change the beat.
that's why the rock of my jams all over the street. Cause I can cut it,
Cut it, scratch it, change the beat.
that's why the rock of my jams all over the street. Cause I can cut it, scratch it, change the beat.
Cut it, scratch it, change the beat.
That's why the rock of my jams all over the street.
DJ Renato Lopes, o dinossauro do som.
só as melhores.
Cidade!
DJ Renato Lopes, o dinossauro do